Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the WD 1TB Elements Portable External Hard Drive USB 3.0 for PC, Xbox One and PlayStation 4, but this is only for example. And the color is black and it is the latest version. This big storage is available in 1TB, 1.5TB, 2TB, 3TB, 4TB, 500GB and 750GB. Wow, 4TB. This is a lot, but this is my old one, as you can see, and this is big. And the new one is so tiny and cute, and there will be so much power inside. This is awesome. Extra storage for your videos, music, photos and files. Plug and play, ready for Windows PCs. Free trial version of WD Smartware Pro software for automatic and cloud data protective. Okay, fast data transfer with USB 3.0, compatibility with Windows 10 or 8.1, reformat for Mac OS 2. This is nice. Wow, I like it. The brand is Western Digital, WD. The item weight is 132 grams. The product dimensions are 2.5 to 2.5 to 2.5 centimeters. Like, nice. Item model numbers WDBU that G0010BBK minus WES and N. Yes, the series is WD Elements Portable. The color is black. The form factor is a hard drive. And in this case, the hard drive size is 1000 gigabyte. It has a hard disk technology. It is an HDD inside. So it's not an flash memory. It is an old school HDD. And you will get the power inside by using these wires. And the wire is a USB 3.0 wire with a special plug, as you can see. And this plug will get the energy inside and the data, of course. Yeah, this is all what you need. Only one cable and one device in this portable external hard drive. In the box, there is a small instruction manual, and there it is, the small portable external hard drive. Easy to use, and it has a nice size, really nice size. It's not so big, it's tiny, it's sweet, it's cute, and this is my old one. The old one has only 500 gigabyte, okay? The new one has 1TB. This is more than you need, I think it. There's one slot. This slot is for the cable, and you plug in the cable at the back side of the external hard drive, then plug in the USB port of your computer, and let's start to use this portable hard drive like an installed portable hard drive inside your computer or Mac, of course. So you only have to take care because of the right direction of the cable, and then you are able to start immediately. So that it is easy to use, how fast, it's really fast, and it has a nice quality. So thanks for watching, please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon, nice device.